Assalamu alaikum, I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new drawing or open an existing AutoCAD drawing. When you open AutoCAD for the first time in your system, you'll see a welcome screen like the one that is shown here. Here you can see that you have an option of starting a new drawing or opening an existing file. Here you can see that there is nothing listed under the recent documents. That is because you have opened AutoCAD for the first time and there is no document that you have opened in AutoCAD before. Let's start by creating a new drawing. There are several ways of creating a new drawing. One way is to directly click this Start Drawing, and you'll see here that a new tab has appeared labeled Drawing 1. Second way of creating a new drawing is to go to the application menu, click new. Here you'll see a list of templates that are available. If you're working on 2D drafting, you can simply select this ACAD and click open. See here a new drawing number 2 has appeared. Third way of creating a new drawing is go here in the quick access toolbars, and this icon here is used to create a new drawing. If you click on this icon, again the list of templates has appeared, so you can simply click or any of the template that you want, click open, and you can see here that drawing number 3 has appeared. Let's save these 3 drawings and then go to the welcome screen again, and this time we are going to open the existing drawings instead of creating new ones. So let's save these files first. So I'm going to save drawing number 3 as drawing number 3.dwg. The extension of AutoCAD is .dwg. I'm going to save it here. Drawing number 3 is saved, so let's close this. For drawing number 2 again, let's go to save as, save it, close drawing number 2, and do the same for drawing number 3. Let's go here and save. So now we are back to our welcome screen, and here now you can see that a list has appeared for the recent documents, drawing number 1, drawing number 2, and drawing number 3. And it is also showing that this drawing was last opened on this day, this date, and at this time. So if you want to open a recent document, you can select any one of these. If you want to open any other file, you can click here, and you can go to the folder where you have saved the drawings. Select the drawing that you want to open. Let's say I want to open this drawing number 3. I'll click open, and here you can see that drawing number 3 has opened. Another way of opening an existing file is go to the application menu, click open, and here again select the drawing that you want to open, and this will open the selected drawing. Third way of opening an existing file is click on this icon on the quick access toolbar. Select the drawing that you want to open from the folder where the drawings are saved. So I'm going to open drawing number 1, open, and here you can see that drawing number 1 has opened. Also, if you go to this application menu, the list of recent document appears on the application menu as well. So you can open a recent document from the application menu directly.